In the dusty outskirts of a quiet town, 20-year-old Jordan and Michelle stumbled upon something extraordinary. While exploring an abandoned cave system, Jordan's flashlight flickered over a shimmering object embedded in the wall. As he brushed away debris, a pulsating crystal revealed itself, veins of radiant energy coursing through its core. Michelle's eyes widened. "Is it alive?" she whispered. Suddenly, the crystal throbbed brighter, emitting a gentle hum. Curious, Michelle pressed her hand against it and felt a warm, soothing pulse that seemed to heal a small scrape on her finger instantly. "Jordan, this is incredible," Michelle breathed. "It's like a living healing stone." Over the next few weeks, they studied the crystal, discovering it could accelerate healing in humans and even animals. Word spread as they shared their findings online, but it wasn't long before powerful corporations caught wind. The crystal's potential was too valuable to ignore, and soon, their discovery became the center of a corporate battle. Realizing the danger of exploitation, Jordan and Michelle decided to protect their find. They hid the crystal deep within a remote mountain cave, vowing to keep it safe from greed-driven hands. Yet, even in secrecy, word of the crystal's healing power leaked out, sparking a revolution in medicine. They decided to share the crystal for a generative price, and thanks to their discovery, hospitals began experimenting with the crystal's energy, saving countless lives. The duo, once ordinary students, became pioneers of a new era of healing and wealth, thanks to a mysterious, pulsing crystal that changed everything. And as they looked out over the horizon, Jordan and Michelle knew their adventure was just beginning.